Thinking of buying a home in 2026? The smartest buyers aren't just house hunting. They're preparing right now to win. A lot of people think home buying starts with scrolling listings or attending open houses. But here's the truth. That's not where the process begins. The real prep starts before the search ever begins. When you're reviewing your credit and organizing your finances and meeting with a lender. Why? Because in 2026's fast-paced market, being almost ready can mean missing out completely. Today, I'll walk you through the 3 steps to get ahead of the game and become fully prepared, confident buyer in 2026. 1. Review your credit and clean up any issues. Before you apply for a loan, your credit profile is under a microscope. The higher your score, the better your loan options. So start now. Pull your credit report from all 3 bureaus. Dispute errors, pay down balances, and avoid opening new accounts. By taking action early, you can increase your score and save thousands over the life of your loan. 2. Organize your budget and savings. Don't just guess how much home you can afford, calculate it. List your income, debts, and expenses. Use a mortgage calculator to understand monthly costs. Set aside savings for your down payment, closing costs, and leave a move-in cushion. Lenders in 2026 are closely watching debt-to-income ratios and verifying funds. Being organized now gives you a smoother path to approval later. 3. Get pre-approved and understand your loan options. Once your credit and savings are in good shape, talk to a lender about getting pre-approved. This isn't the same as pre-qualified. A real pre-approval gives you a verified budget backed by a lender. This letter shows sellers you're serious. It also helps you make confident offers, especially in competitive markets where homes are getting multiple bids. In 2026, many lenders are offering flexible programs for first-time buyers, self-employed borrowers, and those with alternative credit. Exploring your options early puts you ahead. A couple things to avoid. Even if you're doing everything else right, these 2 mistakes could undo your progress. 1. Don't make major financial changes. Avoid opening new credit cards, financing a car, or making other large purchases. These can alter your debt-to-income ratio and jeopardize your mortgage approval. 2. Don't rely solely on your pre-approval amount. Just because the lender approves you for a certain amount doesn't mean you should spend it all. Focus on a payment that fits your budget, not just what the bank says you qualify for. So if you're thinking about buying a home in 2026, start the prep now. Let's talk through your budget, connect you with a lender, and build your strategy before the competition heats up. Call, text, or email me at any time. I'm here to help you start strong and buy smart. Thanks for watching.